Good morning children. Welcome back to English online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you doing children? Hope you all are feeling good? Yes? So shall we start our today's session? Yes. So we are discussing the third chapter, determiners from our grammar text. We have discussed what is a determiner and its four types. We just mentioned the four types of determiners. And we discussed articles in detail. So I hope you understood what is an article and which are the three articles. Yes? Let's have a recap of what we have studied in our previous class. So what is a determiner? Determiner, it is a word that is used before nouns to specify the noun. It introduces a noun in a sentence. Determiners are the words that introduces a noun. It helps us to identify nouns. Determiners are always used before nouns. And we discussed four types of determiners, the four important types of determiners. Which are they? They are the demonstrators, articles, possessives and quantifiers. And we discussed articles in detail. Which are the three articles? The three articles are a, and the. So we discussed three articles. A and an are the indefinite article and the is the definite article. And I told you we use a before consonants or consonant sounds. And we use an before vowel or vowel sounds. For example, honor. H-O-N-O-U-R. H is silent over there. The letter H is silent. So we pronounce it as O, honor. So we have to use an before honor. Honor, honest, our. In all these words, H, the letter H is silent. So we have to use only the indefinite article an before such words. In another examples like MP and MLA. For example, if I say he is an MP or he is an MLA, even though the first letter is M, we pronounce it as A, M. That's why we use an before MLA or MP, even though the letter M is consonant. So we look the pronunciation, how we pronounce it. So that's why we use an before MP and MLA. So next, let me move to the next topic, demonstrators. So which are the four demonstrators? We have discussed that in our previous class. Which are the four demonstrators? The four demonstrators are this, that, these and those. So as the name indicates, demonstrators. Demonstrators are used to demonstrate something. Demonstrate means to show us something. It point out to something so that we get a specific idea of what the speaker is mentioning about. So which are the four demonstrators? This, that, these and those. Now this and that is used with singular nouns, whereas these and those are used with plural nouns, with plural subjects. This and these are used to indicate the objects or the persons that are near to the speaker. That and those are used to indicate far away objects or far away persons. So I hope you understood what is the difference between these, that, this and those. Yes? Now let me use these demonstrators in sentences. For example, I can say, I love that car. So that car is far away from me. So I'm pointing out to that car. I love that car. I love this book. So there is a book near to me. So I can say, I love this book. I love to read this book. This book is very interesting. Why I love this book? Because this book is very interesting. So always demonstrative determiners, it comes before the nouns. It always comes before the nouns. It is placed before the nouns. So the sentences that I have used now, this book is very interesting. So book is the noun and we have used the demonstrative this before the noun. I love that car. Car is the noun. Car is a noun. So that's why I used that before the car. So I hope you understood where to place the demonstrative determiners. Always the determiners that comes before the nouns. A noun is followed by a determiner. Now next, let me move to possessives. Possessive determiners. As the name suggests, possessive means to show possession. It belongs to us. It shows that something belongs to me or something belongs to someone else. It shows the ownership, to indicate the ownership of an element. Next, we shall discuss possessive determiners. We have discussed what is a possessive determiner in our previous class. Yes, do you remember? Yes. So what do you mean by possessive determiners? Possessive determiners means it indicates possession. It shows ownership. It shows that something belongs to me or to someone else. The possessive determiners are my, your, their, our, his, her, its. All these are possessive determiners. It shows belonging, that something belongs to me or someone else. For example, this is my car. If I say this is my house, it means that house belongs only to me, not to anyone else. It shows possession or ownership. Another example, I can say this is our school. If some of your friends come along with you to your annual day programs or some other events in our school, when we invite our friends to our school, we can say this is our school. This is our school. So I hope you understood what is the determiner and the three types of determiners that we have discussed by now. We have discussed articles, we have discussed demonstrators, and we have discussed possessives. And we will discuss quantifiers in our next class. So go through the notes, go through your text, read the lesson. So let's conclude our session here. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.